It just turned on in defrost like 2 seconds ago. It's 53 degrees out here, but it runs when it wants to, I guess. Hey, you don't sound happy. Still a little bit of ice down in there. This November, it'll be 10 years old. And it's putting off some serious heat. See, this thing's in the shade. You can see sunlight over there, so it's about 5 to 10 degrees cooler in the shade than it is out in the sun. Yep, no ice. That's interval defrost for you. They're going to start steaming with all that water under there. Doesn't look like it. And that is some hot air, or not air, but I guess you say heat rising. I didn't have to cycle it on the thermostat that time. The other day I had to cycle it from heat to cool to get it to shift out of defrost, and it finally did. That's cold air. So yeah, here's y'all another defrost video, or dry defrost video, whatever you want to call it. See y'all in the next one.